Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best power hammer is probably one of the most indispensable tools for serious metalworkers, blacksmiths, and fabricators, transforming arduous manual labor into efficient, precise, and powerful operations, allowing you to shape, forge, and manipulate metal with unprecedented speed and consistency, making it a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their craft and productivity in the workshop. Number 5. ENEACRO ENRH3201 Rotary Hammer Drill. This high-performance electric rotary hammer features a robust 13-amp industrial motor, delivering 5.5 feet lbs of impact energy. Its heat-resistant copper wire motor ensures long working periods without overheating, and an anti-dust structure extends its lifespan. It offers 4 distinct functions: drill, hammer, hammer drill, and chisel adjustment, adapting to various tasks. Switching between these modes is simple with its dual-switch design, which also doubles its service life. For your safety and comfort, it includes a safety clutch to protect your wrist from high torque. Its 360-degree adjustable handle and upgraded double-layer anti-vibration system minimize fatigue, while the PU soft grip ensures a secure hold. This tool boasts a maximum drilling diameter of 1.25 inches for concrete and 0.5 inches for metal. With a no-load speed of 820 Rmin and 4200 BPM impact frequency, it delivers efficient and powerful performance. Its SDS Plus chuck ensures quick and secure bit changes. Weighing 12.58 pounds, it's designed for heavy-duty tasks. You can use it for removing tiles, demolishing brickwork, or working with masonry and concrete. Your purchase includes the rotary hammer, 3 SDS Plus drill bits, 2 chisels, an auxiliary handle, and more. This comprehensive kit equips both professionals and DIY enthusiasts for success. What we like. This model boasts a powerful 13-amp motor and 4 versatile functions, making it incredibly adaptable for various tasks. Its safety clutch protection and advanced anti-vibration system prioritize user comfort and safety during long working periods. If you are looking for a versatile tool that prioritizes both power and user safety for a wide range of drilling and hammering tasks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Berserker 65F Demolition Jackhammer. Introducing the Berserker 65F Demolition Jackhammer. This heavy-duty corded electric breaker is engineered for the toughest jobs. It delivers exceptional performance for all your concrete and pavement breaking needs. Powered by a 1700W, 14-amp motor, it generates an impressive 1900 BPM and 40.6 FTLBs of impact energy. Double insulation ensures user safety while tackling demanding chipping and demolition tasks. Its 1 to 3 16-inch hex shank system allows for tool-free bit changes with automatic locking and dust protection. The convenient lock-on button design means you don't have to constantly press, making your work much easier. Experience superior control with its 360-degree adjustable accessory handle and ergonomic grip. This flexible two-handed design helps maintain the best working posture, boosting your efficiency on any job site. Equipped with upgraded anti-vibration technology, it significantly decreases vibration. A longer air cushion in the hammer mechanism further reduces fatigue and improves overall performance. This brute breaker is perfect for a wide range of applications, from breaking holes and trenching to chipping and demolition. You can use it on concrete, brick, tile, stucco, and even for removing housing foundations. Please note, this tool is designed exclusively for 1 to 3 16-inch, 30mm, hex bits. Always verify your bit size before use to ensure proper fit and optimal performance. What we like. This heavy-duty jackhammer delivers an impressive 40.6 FTLBs of impact energy, perfect for demanding demolition. It features a 1 to 3 16-inch hex shank system for tool-free bit changes and a convenient lock-on button for continuous operation. If you need serious power for breaking concrete and pavement, and appreciate features that make heavy work easier, this model is built for you. What people say. Number 3. Makita HM1810X3 AVT Breaker Hammer. This powerful tool features an efficient 15-amp motor and an improved hammer mechanism. It delivers an incredible 46.5 feet-pounds of impact energy, ready to tackle your toughest jobs. Experience superior comfort with its anti-vibration technology. This internal counterbalance system significantly reduces vibration, directing more energy to your work surface for increased productivity. Achieve greater precision and control with its fixed movement handles. They ensure better accuracy, allowing you to work with confidence. Its automatic brush cutoff feature protects the commutator from damage. This intelligent design ensures a longer lifespan for the tool, providing lasting performance. A convenient LED power light keeps you informed. It indicates potential issues like switch failure or cord damage, ensuring safer operation. What we like. This breaker hammer is equipped with an efficient 15-amp motor, delivering a substantial 46.5 ft-lbs of impact energy. Its anti-vibration technology and fixed movement handles provide superior control and accuracy, directing more energy to the work surface. If you prioritize high-impact power for demanding applications combined with enhanced control and reduced user fatigue, this tool is ideal. What people say. The robust construction ensures consistent power delivery for heavy-duty forging tasks. Its adjustable stroke length provides precise control for various material thicknesses and intricate shaping. The integrated safety features, including a foot pedal control and emergency stop, enhance operational security. Number 2. Makita HM1812X370 Advanced AVT Breaker Hammer. Experience groundbreaking power with minimal vibration. This tool delivers impactful force, making tough jobs feel effortless. You'll feel the difference immediately. Equipped with an efficient 15-amp motor, it provides an impressive 53.9 feet-pounds of impact energy. This ensures it can tackle even the most demanding applications with ease. Its advanced AVT is a sophisticated, 3-component system. This technology is designed to significantly reduce vibration, ensuring a more comfortable and controlled operation. This advanced system effectively reduces vibration in various conditions. It achieves an incredibly low 6.5 ms2, allowing you to work longer with less fatigue. A mechanical counterbalance system is integrated to greatly reduce the vibration you experience. This innovative feature contributes to its smooth performance. Furthermore, it features a vibration-absorbing housing. This design element works in conjunction with other systems to enhance user comfort and control. What we like. This advanced model boasts an incredible 53.9 ft-lbs of impact energy, making it one of the most powerful options available. Its advanced AVT system, a synchronized 3-component design, significantly reduces vibration to a remarkably low 6.5 ms2. If you require maximum demolition power with the absolute lowest vibration levels for extended, comfortable use, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to generate the requested output. Number 1. 2200W Heavy-Duty Demolition Jackhammer Kit. This heavy-duty electric demolition hammer kit is a powerful and versatile tool, perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its robust 2200W motor and impressive 1700 BPM, it delivers exceptional performance for various demanding tasks. It excels in demolition, trenching, cutting, and drilling across diverse surfaces. Whether it's concrete, block, brick, or tile mortar, this tool handles it all with ease. Constructed from heavy-duty metal, it's built to withstand the toughest projects. The kit also includes 4 heat-treated alloy steel chisels, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. Equipped with a 360-degree swivel anti-vibration handle, it offers enhanced control and reduces fatigue. The adjustable front handle and non-slip grip ensure a comfortable and secure working experience. Safety is paramount, and this tool incorporates various features for secure and reliable operation. It's a dependable and efficient companion, helping you complete tasks with precision, speed, and ease. Its versatility and professional-grade performance make it suitable for a wide range of construction tasks. From demolishing foundations to interior decorating, it delivers professional results every time. What we like. This powerful kit includes a robust 2200W motor and comes with a comprehensive set of 4 heat-treated alloy steel chisels. Its 360-degree swivel anti-vibration handle ensures enhanced control and comfort, reducing fatigue during long operations. If you are a professional or DIY enthusiast needing a versatile, all-in-one demolition solution for various surfaces and projects, this kit offers excellent value. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.